Welcome to the next episode of this plane tutorial project. This time we're going to create the wings. I will start off by creating the profiles. Sketch a spline of this shape, but remember, the second and the first before last points must be exactly on the same line as the first and last points and perpendicular to the mirror axis. This trick will make the front of the wings smooth and the back of them more sharp, so don't worry about those points here. Now copy that shape using Transform tool and selecting the copy option. In this situation, I will copy this profile to the end of the wing, which is about 550. Then I will copy it again, a quarter of the distance to the edge of the wing. The last profile will be the point where the wing will end. I will move it up and scale it to make it a bit smaller. I will make some adjustments. Now I will create a mirror of all these profiles to the other side. I'm using the Transform tool with the copy option selected, and the mirror plane would be my middle profile. Using Loft tool, I will select all of the shapes one by one. I'm adjusting the position of the wings and relocating the pivot point. I will adjust the placement of the wings by dragging and dropping the arrows of the pivot point. Now you can make any other adjustments with the position of your wings on your own. Make any other adjustments to your plane body and the wings if that's necessary. You can move the edges of your bodies using the Transform tool. Tap on any face you want to move it and modify it as you wish. Now let's create the tail profiles. After mirroring the second profile, delete the symmetry line and the very last profile. Now I'm going to mirror those inner profiles to the other side. And I will delete the symmetry line in the middle as I do not need it anymore. Now it's time to place the profiles I've just created, where they will be needed for the loft. I'm just selecting one by one and moving to the right position by using Transform tool. You can transform multiple shapes without clicking Done in the Transform menu. Simply select profiles you want to move, rotate, or rescale, and do so without exiting the tool. If you need to copy different profiles, tap on them and select Copy option. If you need to transform the copy profile, unselect the Copy option and transform as you want. With this sketch, I'm going to make plenty of adjustments until I'm happy with all the profiles. The thing I need to do right now is replace the tail to the right position. I also need to adjust this shape, which means I will center it according to the body and scale it up because it's too small right now. Because this design is a conceptual way of work, you should make it your way and keep adjusting and make any changes you can imagine. After making all these adjustments, I'm happy with the body, the tail, and the wings. I would like the tile to look more smooth, so I will fillet it by dragging and dropping the edge of the tail. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode, where we will work on the front end of the plane. Subscribe to our channel to never miss out on new tutorials, and click on the right bottom corner to watch the next episode.